Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: an Epic Games account with two-factor authentication and a verified email. Once done, gather your legal and payment details, business name or your SSN, address, and bank info, because verification uses exact matches. Next, open the Epic Developer Portal and sign in. Make sure you use the account you want tied to Dev Access. From here, request developer enrollment and choose the appropriate account type. This gets you into the application flow immediately, skipping idle setup. You now handle the complex middle, filling enrollment forms and uploading required ID. Select individual or company, then complete tax paperwork and digitally sign the developer agreement. This step authorizes publishing and revenue sharing. Once submitted, Epic performs identity and banking verification. Make sure names match exactly to avoid delays. After that, watch for confirmation emails and potential phone verification. If there's any mismatch, correct it promptly, because verification failures are the main bottleneck in the process. You finish by granting required permissions and linking your first project to the developer account, then verify payment settings so payouts can process. Once your app is linked, run a sandbox test or request a small payout to confirm banking. If the process halts, check 3 common issues: mismatched legal names, 2FA problems, or blurry ID scans. Those cause most rejections. If needed, re-upload clear documents and reinitiate verification. Doing so usually resolves holdups within a few business days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.